Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about various parts of the IV cannula. To show this, I have taken a green colored cannula. The size of this cannula is 18 gauze. So let me just open this cannula to show you the different parts. So this portion which you can see is known as needle of cannula, and whenever we insert this needle, the shaft should be like this. It should come out of the catheter. So when we insert this cannula inside the vessel, afterwards this needle will be taken out like this. So patient will be remaining with the catheter only, which is a flexible line. You can see it is flexible. यूजुअली पेशेंट सोचते हैं कि नीडल उनकी वेसल में है, बट नीडल हम निकाल देते हैं and only catheter portion will be there in the vessel of the person. So here we have the needle and the catheter. Then this portion is known as bushing of cannula, and here we have the valve also. Then this is your injection port cap where we can open it like this, and this is your injection port. So after you have given the injection, you have to close this. Then we have these structures which are known as the wings of IV cannula. So they are again adjustable. You can just adjust them. They are the wings of IV cannula. And then you have the flashback chamber. Here you can say it is the flashback chamber. Here you have the needle grip. This portion is known as needle grip. This area is lure lock. You can see here this is a lure lock, and here we have the lure lock plug. तो यूजुअली क्या होता है, once you insert the cannula in the vessel of a person, the needle will be taken out and you have to keep it closed. अगर आप इसे बंद नहीं रखोगे, the blood might ooze out of the patient's body. So you have to keep it closed like this. So I'll again repeat. In the cannula, we have a needle, then we have a catheter. Here you have the bushing. Then you have the one-way valve here. Then we have the injection port cap and the injection port. Here we have the wings of the cannula. Then you have the needle grip. Then we have the flashback chamber, lure lock, and the cap of the lure lock. That's it for today. Thank you so much.